Welcome to Learn Chinese Path. I am Chelsea. Today my mom Helen and I will talk about the idiom 不管三七二十一.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Helen Chelsea 的妈妈。今天呢，我和 Chelsea 会教大家一句成语，不管三七二十一，希望大家喜欢。
This is Advanced Level, Lesson 1. Everybody knows 3 times 7 equals 21. It's a fact. But if I say I don't care whether it's right or wrong, I will do it. So in Chinese, the idiom is 不管三七二十一. It means regardless of right or wrong, no matter what may happen, I don't care. Let's give an example to explain. There will be a big test tomorrow. He doesn't care if he will get a good score or not. He played all the way to 12 o'clock. In Chinese,
他明天有大考试，可是不管三七二十一，他玩游戏到12点。
His dog ran out and didn't return. Outside there was pouring rain. He doesn't care if he will get soaked or sick. He ran out the door to look for his dog. In Chinese,
他的小狗跑出去没有回来，外面正下着大雨，不管三七二十一，他就冲出去找他的小狗。
why is the idiom 3 times 7 equals 21 instead of 3 times 8 equals 24 and 4 times 9 equals 36? Actually, it comes from a Chinese history story. The story happens at Warring Stage period. It's about 2,350 years ago. China has 7 warring states. It often has war among 7 states. It's
秦、楚、韩、魏、赵、燕、齐。
the 7 warring states. The biggest and strongest is Qin. Qin tried to conquer the other 6 warring states, so all other 6 warring states is scared. This scared. Here comes the smart person, Su Qin. He has a brilliant idea. That is 6 warring state. Should unify together and fight with Qin. So he went to each state to explain his idea and persuade the king to unify together to fight Qin. He came to Qi Guo to persuade King Qi to unify together to fight Qin. Because Qin is strongest, Qi is scared. King Qi found an excuse and said, I don't have enough soldier. Su Qin said, the capital Linzi has 70,000 households. Every household has 3 men to serve the country. Then there's 7,100 times 3 equals 210,000 soldiers. It's enough soldier to fight with Qin. Of course, we knew that's not true. It's not possible every household has 3 men. Even though they have 3 men, probably some old, some too young. Anyway, 不管三七二十一 is from this history story. Do your guys curious to know whether Su Qin succeed? Yes, he eventually succeed. The 6 states unified together to fight Qin. He became the prime minister of 6 warring states. Now I bet you know the idiom of 不管三七二十一. Hope you like this video and continue support!